An ordinary scene, perhaps taking place in ordinary homes across the country. A man is putting up some shelves, but two things are missing. The first is a spirit level, which the man has just remembered is in his cellar. So he does what any normal person would do. He goes and gets the spirit level. But there is still something missing. Something that should accompany any trip down a flight of stairs into a dark, musty cellar. And that missing thing, of course, is insidious, creeping horror. Now let's see how the addition of a select few sounds can heighten the terror in any situation. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Zero Budget Horror Sounds.